In today's class, I will teach you the geography chapter atmosphere. Okay, and in this class, I will tell you about atmosphere. The first question before you read this chapter, you can either tell me define. You can either tell me define atmosphere, or you can say what is atmosphere. You may ask me a question like that, then I must define atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. Atmosphere is a thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. For example, if this is earth, this thin layer that surrounds the earth means thin layer of air that surround the earth is called atmosphere. Is that clear? It surrounds, it covers. Is that clear? So I hope you have understood the question number 1. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. Then you can ask me a second question if you want to know more about atmosphere. Then you can ask me the second question can be, what is the composition of atmosphere? Or you can tell me, please say something about the composition of atmosphere. Then atmosphere, you must say, is a colorless, odorless layer of gases. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a colorless, odorless. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a colorless, odorless layer of gases that surrounds the earth. The same thing, like I've told you, it is just I'm telling you more about atmosphere. When I was first answer, when I defined atmosphere, I said the atmosphere is a thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. When I am talking about the composition of atmosphere, when I am giving you information about the composition of atmosphere, I am giving some more information. What is it? I am telling you atmosphere is a thin layer of gases that surrounds the earth. Understood? The atmosphere is a thin layer of air that surrounds the thin layer of gases that surrounds the earth. Okay. Another thing, and this thin layer, what is this composed of? What is this thin layer of air? Thin layer of air composed of? You can say it is made up of different gases, water vapor, dust particles, etc. You can see it has dust particles in it, then water vapor and different gases. Different gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, helium and ozone. Understood? Various gases can be like seen or are found in the atmosphere. So I'm sure you have understood what is composition of atmosphere. Is that clear? So again I'm telling you, so atmosphere is a thin layer of gases that surrounds the earth. It is made up of I have already told you, dust particles, water vapors and various gases or different gases. So now you can ask me question number 3. Then you can tell me, please talk about importance of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and ozone. Clear? So if you ask me, I must say what is actually nitrogen gas needed for, and why is it important? Why is it essential? Nitrogen is essential for the growth of plants. Understood? For the growth of plants and organisms, different organisms. Clear? So you have understood why is nitrogen needed. Nitrogen is specially essential. It is essential for the growth of plants. Understood? And other organisms that need nitrogen. Then you can ask me, what is oxygen? I must say oxygen is a life supporting gas, as living beings or organisms, including humans, need oxygen to breathe. Understood? As all living beings, understood, including humans, need oxygen or require oxygen to breathe. Got it? Require and need are same words. Need means require, require means need. Okay. So you have got, and now you can tell me, sir, define carbon dioxide. I must say yes. Carbon dioxide is concentration, concentration of carbon dioxide gas or carbon dioxide's concentration is essential for the growth of plants. Plants prepare their food with carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Understood? So I hope you have got the clear picture of what is hydrogen gas. And now I want you to know about ozone. What role does this gas play? Ozone actually protects us from the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. Ozone layer protects us, if it is sun, understood? Clear? The sun radiates ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays. Clear? And the ozone, clear, protects us from this ultraviolet. It checks. It as a layer, it stops. Here, it cannot penetrate this layer, ozone layer. So, ozone gas, this is the actually function of ozone. Understood? It protects us from the harmful effects of the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. Understood? So I hope you have understood all the. Now atmosphere has got different stages or what is, if you tell me, name the all the based on temperature, you can tell the name of mention the different layers of atmosphere based on temperature. You can tell me what are as I have taught you already, so you can easily tell me the different layers of atmosphere. And if I ask you, you just answer. What are the different layers of atmosphere?
The different layers of atmosphere are thermosphere, stratosphere, troposphere, of exosphere, and mesosphere.
Different layers of atmospheres are stratosphere, troposphere, thermosphere, exosphere, and mesosphere. Right? So all the five spheres are already mentioned. So my dear friend, I have got one last thing to tell you about how this atmosphere protects us, or how does it help us. Understood? You can say the importance of atmosphere. If you are asked to say something about the importance of atmosphere, you must say that we have already come to know about the importance of atmosphere. Atmosphere actually, it helps us, understood, against, it helps us to, it protects us from the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun, number one. Number two, a atmosphere gives us or provides us the oxygens to breathe, air to breathe or oxygen to breathe. And the third thing you can say, it's a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen gas. I have already told you. And atmosphere, another very important thing, that it protects us against falling debris from the space. And I'm sure that you have liked my class today on the topic atmosphere from the geography chapter, from the geography book, from the topic atmosphere. And if you have enjoyed my class, if you have liked my class, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Bye.